Hey Chris, it's Derek. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on doing your before and after galleries. We're going to upload some pictures, going to work on that galleries, and we're going to apply them to a new post on your website. So here we go. We're already on chipmagician.com. Zoom. We're going to log in down here at the bottom. See administrator login up above the Facebook and stuff, and I'm already logged in, so no need to do that. Alright, so first thing we're going to do down here at the bottom left, zoom in again, bottom left of your dashboard, first thing you see when you log in, you'll see gallery. Alright, so we're going to add gallery or images. Alright, I've already added a gallery. The galleries we're going to upload to. I just wanted to, kind of show you what that looks like. So there's add new gallery here. Zoom back out, so you can see add new gallery. And that's where you would do that. You would just, make a gallery, name it something, and then when you have a gallery, you can upload images to it. Pretty self-explanatory. That's what we're going to do. We're going to upload some images from the Dropbox. When you sent me stuff the other day, I've got a lot of stuff on my computer. Chipmagician, Dropbox. Alright, the Cadillac Escalade 2002. Let's do this other one. Mitsubishi Galant. I'm going to grab a couple pictures off of here. Alright, I'm gonna upload all 6 of these. Go ahead and do that. So uploading these pictures into 2002 Mitsubishi Galant. A few pictures take a few minutes. Lots of error messages, but I don't know. I always get those. They never amount to anything. So, it automatically makes little thumbnails for you. Pretty sweet. But again, just like we were doing the other day, you want to size down those images, because if they're enormous like that, there's going to be some kind of problems. Alright, so we got those images uploaded. Go back down to the bottom here, under Gallery, Manage Gallery. So, where are we at? We got our Mitsubishi Galant. Here it is, down at the bottom, Mitsubishi Galant. We're going to edit that from the list. Alright, we're going to keep that title the same. Don't need to put a description in there, just like we were doing the other day. Looks like these first 3 here are after shots, and these last 3 are before shots. So after we do add in our title and our description to these, then I'm going to go back in and sort them. So let's see. Alright, so I'm going to go, that's hard to say, Mitsubishi Galant after repair. And keeping it kind of general, because you know a lot more about this than I do. Always good to add a little, detail to it. And I'm going to just copy and paste that one, and just to save a little time. Very important to fill these fields in here. My cell phone. Okay. Very important to fill these in, because when you have your gallery displaying on the post, then that will fill in the blanks, for description, like when people are, sort of checking out and moving through the gallery and looking at different pictures. Alright, let's these in for the before shots. If you don't fill these in, there won't be any text in there. And, you know, that's another thing that helps with your search engine placement, is having descriptions that are relevant. Mitsubishi Galant, boom, shakalaka. This is actually before repair, so let's do that. You know, again, keeping it really generic, just because I don't really know all the particulars. I just can tell, you know, this is beat up. Sad times for them, but you know, hey, you made it better. You know, just to differentiate another view. You can probably fast forward to this part, because it's pretty tedious. Alright, so we're done with that. We're going to save changes. There's going to be one more step before we get to the actual posting of these into your gallery, or you know, onto your blog format there. We're going to sort the gallery. Just going to zoom out again so you can see where you're at again. So we're in the gallery, and what we need to do is sort these because they're all out of order. Pretty cool. You can do this. You can actually drag and drop. Alright, so you see the before repair, so I'm going to put those in first. Obviously, you don't want people to think that it was a perfectly good car and then you wrecked it. So, update the sort order. You can, you can sort these by, you know, different things, alt, title, text, date, and time, image ID. But, you know, when you can drag and drop it, it's more. It's a better way to do it if you just have a few images in there. Zoom out again. You're done with all this gallery stuff. So, actually, let me go back to the gallery. Looks good. So let's go with this gallery, and we're gonna make a post. All right, you know, this is a WordPress site, so it's based on posts and pages. Posts would be like your blog posts, and you know, every time that you make a blog post, it's gonna go to your Facebook wall, all that good stuff. So let's go. You see on the left here under your dashboard, you'll see posts. You see all posts where you can edit them. Right now we're going to go to add new. We're adding a new post. Pretty self-explanatory. Cool stuff, just like we did the other day. We got a title right here, and that was a 2002 Mitsubishi Galant, and it was body repair. Now that's pretty general, but you know, you can always go back in and edit these and change that. But again, you know, pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't spell Galant. I was worried about Mitsubishi, and I can't spell Galant. Alright, and in any second now you're going to see the actual permalink show up. But right now, you want to make sure you put it in a category. Alright, so of course there's a gallery, and it's in before and after. The other important thing, you want to have post tags. Alright, and again, repair, and you know, I saw the hood crinkly, so I'm just putting hood repair. Just, you know, these are just terms that are going to help people find these posts. Pretty cool stuff. Zooming back out. Alright, and I'm just first thing I'm going to do is put in the gallery. You know, this is familiar. This is just like any WYSIWYG editor, as we call it, or like a you know, your email editor where you can make things bold, you know, or italic or whatever. You can upload or insert, you know, an image, you know, or MP3 or whatever if you like to do that. But we're going to focus on the gallery right now. But yeah, it's pretty easy once you get in and poke around and check it out. But you know, specifically we're focusing on the gallery and the before and after posts right now. So here we go with that. All these buttons here, all this good stuff, emoticons and all that. Right here you're going to see Add Next Gen Gallery. Looks like two little postcards. So we're going to click on that. And all we need to do is select this gallery. working for you. Mitsubishi Galant. And we're just going to leave it as it is, image list, insert. And you just see the little brackets there, but here in a minute you'll see the actual real thing. Mitsubishi Galant. This Galant. I'll write something better in a minute. This Galant was hurting. Chip Magician. Fix. Yeah, all of a sudden I'm the Incredible Hulk, and I can't talk. So, or Cookie Monster or something. I'm gonna save this draft. You know, maybe you start on something and then you gotta go do a repair or something, and you wanna come back to it later. Hit save draft. It will save automatically for you, but you know, you can always just do this. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna preview. We're gonna see what it looks like. Alright, so hit preview, it'll open up a preview screen in a new tab automatically. Pretty sweet. So here's what your post looks like, alright? So we're going to click here, we can do the gallery, and it shows up, boom. Alright. Checking out all that stuff. Looks pretty good now, huh? Yeah. Alright, so that's done. That's it. That's your pictures of your gallery. You know. And, you know, here's your tags. And, you know, people can leave comments if they want to. I got lockdown secure, so they got to provide, you know, some legit information there. Otherwise, the spam filter will kick it out. So, you know, I will, you know, put some normal human talk in here. And I'll hit the publish button, and it'll publish immediately, and it'll go to Facebook. You can always, you know, schedule it to publish, you know, at a different date or what have you. I'm going to do that. But you know, this is just kind of basically how it works. You know, if you want to do a news post later, you know, same thing with the text here in that field, and you know, make it bold or italic or whatever, add a table or whatever you need to do. But you know, uploading, adding an image, pretty easy stuff. I got several tutorials about that, but you know, this is really specific to your site and your gallery. So that's what we got. So hopefully that will be very helpful, and you can pick this up and add some pictures and galleries in there yourself. Alright, thanks Chris.